Don't make these 5 mistakes when applying for a mortgage. Applying for a mortgage can feel like navigating a maze. Between the paperwork, financial checks, and the pressure of securing the best rate, it's super easy to make mistakes. To help you sail through the process smoothly, here are a few things that you should never do when applying for a mortgage. Number 1, don't make large purchases or take on new debt. It's so tempting to buy that shiny new car or the latest gadgets, especially when you're excited about buying a new home. But I would suggest you hold off on any major purchases until after your mortgage is approved and you've taken possession of your new home. Large expenses can ultimately alter your debt-to-income ratio, making you look riskier to lenders. So keep your spending in check to ensure your financial picture remains stable throughout your entire home buying process. Number 2, avoid changing jobs. Stability is key when applying for a mortgage because lenders want to see a steady employment history. Changing jobs, especially to a different industry or a lower paying position, can raise red flags. So if possible, stay in your current job until your mortgage process is complete. If a change is unavoidable, discuss it with your lender or your mortgage advisor beforehand. Tip number 3, don't open new credit card accounts. Every time you apply for new credit, whether it's a credit card or a loan, it can trigger hard inquiries on your credit report, and too many inquiries can negatively impact your credit score, which is a crucial factor in mortgage approval. Resist the urge to open new credit accounts until after you've secured your mortgage. Tip number 4, avoid large deposits without documentation. Lenders will likely examine your bank statements very closely, so large unexplained deposits can be a red flag in their eyes. If you need to make a significant deposit, be prepared to provide documentation explaining where the money came from, because transparency is essential to avoid any hiccups throughout the approval process. And tip number 5, don't skip out on bills and do your taxes. Your payment history is a major component in your credit score. Missing even a single bill payment can lower your score and raise concerns with your lender. Make sure all of your bills are paid on time, every time, to maintain your financial health and improve your chances of mortgage approval. This applies to your taxes as well, so make sure you're up to date with the CRA. Navigating the mortgage application process doesn't have to be super stressful. By following these tips, you'll ensure a smoother mortgage application process and be one step closer to owning your dream home. So keep your financial habits in check, communicate with your lender, and soon you'll have the keys to your new home in hand. Have questions or need personalized advice? Feel free to reach out. As a dedicated realtor in Calgary, I am here to guide you through every step of your home buying journey. Happy house hunting!